Okay, we're going to pull the heating element out. There's 2 screws on this side. And then it's just slid into this side, so we can pull it out. And then we have access to the 2 terminals where it's connected to the thermostat and the limit switch. Now we're going to pull those wires off gently. If I can maybe get better in here with my fingers. And then we have access to the heating element and the limit switches. Okay, so we need to ohm the limit switches and the thermostat out, and then we need to ohm out to make sure that the element is good. We need to set it to ohms, which is the little upside down or the horseshoe. And then to ohm out, if something is completely ohming out, it would run to 0 or as close to 0 as possible. That means there is infinite, the signal's going and it's all the way coming back. Some things are rated to have some resistance, so keep that in mind and read your tags when ohming out refrigerators or other things. In this case, literally it should come pretty close to 0. So whenever we're ohming things, we do not want to leave these wires on because that can create a circuit through back and maybe not give us a proper reading. So we need to make sure that we eliminate these before ohming out these limit switches. So again, we're going to make sure that our ohm meter's working. We know that it's going down to 0, which is good. Now we're going to ohm this one out. And this one is running at 0, so that's a good limit switch. If we ohm this one out by itself, it also runs down to 0. Now that we have these 2 unplugged, we can test the element by running both of these prongs here that are running up to here. This is the element. And the element has a little bit of resistance, but the element is good.